And loose coupling of directories. Let's say, for example, you have only one directory in your organization. That is fine. You don't need to worry about that, okay? But let's say, for example, in your organization 10 directories are there, 10 individual directories are there. Okay, each and every directory may have 10 or 20,000 users. Let's take an example, okay. So let's say, for example, Sam will not worry about that directory issues. Okay. If your account is maintained in one domain, it is more than enough for me. I don't need to cross-verify all the 10 domains. That is available, okay. And the third one is improved online experience for end users. Of course, you might have known like 15 years back, if you access any application. First it will load like anything slowly. It will load. It will get the images, it will get the paragraphs first. Then it will get the images. Then it will get the video. And then it will give the GIF something like that. Okay. It will start. It will be very slow earlier, because that time the SAM, these kinds of things were not there. Okay, everything was manual. Everything was loaded manually, mostly okay before 10 or 15 years back, I'm saying. But right now, with the help of the SAM, the data transfer will happen between Okta to the end application within microseconds, not even 1 second, okay. Within microseconds, the data transfer will happen. And it is very easy for you guys to, give an online experience to the end users. If you integrate with SAML kind of thing, okay. And also configuring SAML between applications is very simple as an admin. Okay, you just need to understand only the terms and only the flow. If you understand that, that is more than enough. You don't need to train anyone manually. For understanding that SAM those things okay. So reducing administrative costs for the service providers. And also for the service provider also I'm talking about. Okay. Not only for identity providers, but also for the service providers. Because service provider can able to easily integrate with the help of SAM to Okta, or else they need to integrate a code. That code should be built on Java and you need to hire someone who knows Java or Net or Python. Whatever the code it supports, it's okay. If you integrate, if you enable the SAM configuration automatically, you have an option to, make use of what exactly you are getting, okay. And the final one is risk transfer. So of course we are not transferring any data, any password in the data XML file between Okta and the end applications. So it is very less risky one, okay. It is very transparent one. You don't need to worry about the risk factors. Password. Risk factors whenever you are integrating an app with SAM. So these are all the benefits.